Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, in today's video, if you have watched my previous video, I recently did a mini big chop, I guess. Cut my hair into like a taper-ish, at least I think it is. So in today's video, I'll be doing a full wash day and style with my hair for the first time since I cut and did my mini big chop. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do a voiceover or not, but if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is TAM KAM. I do videos about natural hair, beauty, fashion, lifestyle here and there. And if you are new, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. Join the TAM KAM fam. And yeah, welcome into the greatness, okay? And if you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started into this good old wash day. So I divided my hair into 4 sections here. I have a spray bottle with me. Now, as you can see, if you did not watch my previous video about my mini big chop, I will go ahead and link up above in the cards as well as down below in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check out after this video. But you guys, I cut majority of my color out. As you can see, I barely have any color up here, and a part of me just really wants to cut that little piece off too. But I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. But so yeah, so I'm gonna do a full wash day video with pretty much some of my favorite black owned hair products. Okay, some of these products I already mentioned. Well, I probably mentioned all of these products already on my channel. But so yes, let's go ahead and get started into this good old wash day. Okay, you guys, before we get started into this wash day, I'm just going to throw a little t-shirt around me just to reduce any type of mess. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair down with some water just so my hair can be nice and wet and moisturized to start this good old wash day routine. So I'm just going to go ahead and finger detangle my hair a little bit. And the shampoo that I'm going to be using today is the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. This shampoo has almond oil and coconut oil. Now this shampoo is one of my favorites because this is like one of the few shampoos that I do use that are actually moisturizing. It's not stripping to the hair, and you can actually detangle your hair with this shampoo, which is very, very rare. Okay, so one thing I do love about this shampoo also is that it smells really, really good. Y'all know I love me some TGIN products, but this shampoo is a gentle moisturizing shampoo for all hair types, and it has no sulfates, no parabens, no petroleum, no mineral oils, and no artificial colors, and it's also no animal testing. So I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo my hair, use my good old shampoo brush and my fingers, and yes, let's get into it. So this is how my hair is looking after I finish shampooing my hair. My curls are popping. And so the next thing I'm going to use is the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. Now this deep conditioner is one of my favorite deep conditioners from Camille Rose. As you can see, it's pretty much almost gone. But the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner is infused with a blend of pure blue algae packed with 65 vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It actually has cocoa and mango butter that actually helps with moisture and growth stimulating biotin extracts from algae that is infused to create one of a kind softening cocktail for all hair types. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply this deep conditioner in small sections. I just want to work it into my hair, making sure that all of my strands get all of this goodness of this Algae Renew Deep Conditioner, because you don't want to miss any type of strands when it comes to deep conditioning. We want all the strands to get the love, honey. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue to spread this deep conditioner all around my head until I am completely done. So once I'm done applying all of the deep conditioner onto my hair, this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, some of my curls are popping, which I am here for, okay? And as you can see, all of the deep conditioner is gone. So Assist needs a new jar. So next I'm going to go ahead and use a plastic bag just to cover up my head just so we can start the deep conditioning process. And I'm actually going to use my favorite thing of all time, my thermal hot head bonnet, to actually help with the deep conditioning process. Leave it on there for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then once I'm fully done, I'm going to go ahead and remove the cap in the plastic bag. And this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, I have gotten a lot of shrinkage, which is a good thing because, you know, shrinkage means that your hair is healthy, honey. So I went ahead and washed out all of the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. And this is what my curls are looking like. Super duper defined and moisturized. So one thing that I like to do immediately after I wash out my deep conditioner is to apply a leave-in conditioner in the shower while my cuticles are open so it can penetrate my strands really, really well. And the leave-in conditioner that I use is the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Detangling Hair Treatment. And the next product I'm going to use is the Healthy Thicker Curls. This is the Super Hair Moisturizing Hair Butter. And I love this hair butter. It has shea butter, olive oil, jojoba oil, and sunflower oil in here. I'm going to use it in combination with my favorite oil, the Healthy Thicker Curls Hair Growth Oil. And this hair growth oil actually has soybean oil, almond oil, grapeseed, and coconut oil. And it's a very nice blend. So I'm going to go ahead and do my hair into like medium size 2-strand twist, but you know I have not did 2-strand twists in a very, very long time. But you know, since this is my first wash day after cutting my hair and doing my mini big chop, I decided to go back to the old Tam and do my good old 2-strand twist. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to apply this butter along with the oil to each and every single twist and just continue to twist up my whole entire head. Okay, you guys, so once I'm done doing all of my 2-strand twists, I'm going to go ahead and, of course, apply my perm rods to my ends to have extra definition. And here you go, perm rods applied, done, period, boo, okay? Okay, you guys, so after this, I'm going to go ahead and just let my hair air dry overnight. I mean, if it is still wet, I actually do sit under the dryer for like 30 minutes to an hour, but no longer than that. So I will be back to take this out. So you guys, so it is the next day and sis is looking bomb.com with her makeup. But yes, so you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take down these perm rods along with these 2-strand twists. So once I removed all the perm rods, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Healthy Thicker Curls hair growth oil. And I love to use a hair growth oil when it comes to separating my curls, just to reduce any type of frizz, because we do not want any type of frizz with our hairstyle today. Okay, we want frizz-free curls, period. So you guys, so one thing that I noticed as I was taking down my 2-strand twist is that my hair was super duper soft, super duper moisturized, especially using this combination. I love to use the Healthy Thicker Curls hair butter or cream, whatever you want to call it, because it always leaves my hair super duper soft. Super duper soft. And you can tell I have great definition with this good old combination, and I'm loving it. So you guys, so once I'm done separating all my curls, as you can see, my hair is not to my liking just yet. So one thing that I always like to do is to actually pick out my hair and to shape it real well. And here is the final result of my first wash and style after doing my mini big chop. So you guys, so as you can see, I am definitely loving my hairstyle. I'm loving this product combination and my curls are popping. So if you did enjoy this good old first wash day and style after my mini big chop. Go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. Turn it gray and join the TAM KAM fam. And hit that bell button so you can be notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye guys. New haircut, who this? Period.